All right, guys, so what we did, we were getting ready to shoot a segment, saw some birds going offshore. Birds usually a pretty good indicator of fish, and we call them warbirds, frigates up in the air. Tuna birds, some people call them. A lot of life. We come out here, and let's talk about reading the bottom machines. So we're marking solid bait all the way from 10 feet to the bottom in 23 feet of water. Good indicator, find the bait, find the fish, match the hatch. You're gonna mark those bigger fish in there. Bait fish are gonna mark a different way. So these are a little bit lighter streaks. They're really stacked up on top of each other. Your darker fish, what do we call them? Chevrons. They're gonna be a little bit darker in red. Those are your larger fish. And that's how you really paint that bottom, get a good idea of what's going on underneath the boat. So we're gonna circle around a little bit.
Try to get back on
back on that bait, and that's how you find the fish. When you're on these really heavy stacks of bait, you can actually smell them. You're gonna think I'm kidding. Different bait fish are gonna smell different ways. I think that threadfin herring smell like watermelon a little bit. Good indicator of that is you see these slicks that pop up in the water when one of these fish get eaten. The big fish is gonna regurgitate, and that's a dead giveaway of not only fish, but feeding fish too. And we're just kind of looking up. Of course, don't have any bait right now. Got some rods, might try to tie something on and bend a rod. You've heard Keith and I say it before. If you've got the tools, use them. Put those electronics to work. Put you on the fish. A little bit of know-how, knowing how to read, just like learning how to read a book, learning how to read your bottom machine. And the technology nowadays, hey, it's almost not fair.
Just put the time in, practice, and spend days and days and days. Turn your electronics on, ride with them on. Look at it, play with it, touch it, get used to it.
Yeah, they can definitely do a lot. Have fun, take those pictures of those fish, post them up, post them down in the comments, and let's see what you're working with.
See you guys out on the water.